Hi, today I'm teaching you how to make sweetened condensed milk. I'm going to be using raw cow's milk. This is whole milk. And before you pour it into your pot, you're going to give it a little bit of shake so that if you had any cream settling at the top, it's going to mix into the milk. And then we are going to go ahead and heat up our milk on medium heat while constantly stirring. And once you begin to see small bubbles appearing from the sides of your milk, then the milk is almost coming to a boil. Remember, you don't want it to boil so much so that it rises, but to achieve just a gentle simmer. Remember, keep stirring. This helps so that the milk doesn't curdle and the cream doesn't form that thin layer on top. The next step, I'm going to add some spices. This is very optional. I'm adding lemongrass and thyme. This is just so that I can have that natural flavor instead of adding artificial flavor like the vanilla essence. So add your spices, give them a little bit of stir, and then we're going to go ahead and set our pot aside, cover it, and let it sit for about 30 minutes so that the spices infuse. And then we are going to go ahead and strain that milk that now has a new natural flavor. And then we're going to go ahead now to the next step. In this stage, we're going to add our milk back into our cooking pot. And then we're going to add 1.5 cups of sugar. I'm using brown sugar. Brown sugar has more molasses and it adds an extra flavor to your condensed milk. At this stage, keep stirring until all the sugar is dissolved. The next step, now we are going to set our heat onto medium or low and keep stirring until it achieves a very gentle simmer or a very gentle bubbling motion at the top of the milk. Remember, you don't want it to boil up to it rises. This stage should take anywhere between 1 hour to 1.5 hours. And when that time has lapsed, you should achieve a thick consistency and your milk should have reduced by half in volume. So if we had 1 liter, then right now we have half a liter of condensed milk, and you'll notice that the condensed milk coats the back of the spoon and it's heavier in consistency. So at this stage, our condensed milk is ready, and let it cool. And then we are going to transfer it to a clean mason jar that we are then going to transfer it into our fridge. After refrigeration, your condensed milk will thicken and darken and achieve a very good consistency that you can use in your recipes, like making ice cream, making milkshakes, and all that. Thank you so much for watching. My hope is that you learned something new today about making sweetened condensed milk at home. Please like, subscribe, and share. I'm going to be seeing you in the next video. Bye.